What up, you guys? Well, I got another box, and let me show you what it is. It's for the Mazdaspeed, and it's just to make the interior look a little cleaner and nicer. Keep it basic. I'm not really doing anything. What else am I gonna do to my interior? Maybe get the Mazdaspeed 3 steering wheel, but that's like last crap. That's like crap when I'm actually done mechanically done finishing my build. But pretty much, let's see what's in this box, and it ain't a scooter. I wanted this just because I was missing one from the back, and they were kind of getting dirty. They're wrapped. And let me take all the wrap off. And here they are. I got some, they're used, but brand new, as in looking new. I got some floor mats, some Mazdaspeed 3 floor mats. These are awesome because it's not that dirty, honestly. It's not ripped like my other ones. Everything's pretty much there. Looks good. It's just bent, so I'm gonna have to flatten it out on something. But yeah, there it is. Let's go outside, clean the car a little bit, and start putting those floor mats in and see how much better they look compared to my old ones.
$100,000 on the table top. Price my whip, same price my watch. Got no jumper, but I bought a lot. Switch bitch on your stony, I do it all. I've been rolling 20 years at the door. Hit the switch up a suicide door. We already know you bad as a dog. If no mama wanna ride, then let go. All these motherfuckers so far from me. If your money funny, don't talk to me. I know there ain't shit that you could offer.
Okay, so I pretty much got everything cleaned out. There's just some crap left. Everything is pretty much clean. I don't know if you guys can tell in the dark, but it's all clean. Going back here, everything's all cleaned up. I just need to take these things out. I got them from my job at Valvoline. Intake cleaner, and I think, yeah, some intake cleaner. Clean fuel induction systems help restore maximum power. Performance works to eliminate shit. Carbon bull. Everything is all nice. This is not trash. It's for my kid's seat, and then look, everything looks nice, man. Just need to take some of this crap out, but everything's pretty much go to go. Just got to put my floor mats in, and everything's pretty much cleaned up. It is pretty late now. It took me a while because I had to flatten these out. They were like kind of like bent a little bit, and so I can't put them in all bent because they're not gonna be kept in place. But here are all of them. There's still kind of like a little dirt on them, so I'm just gonna vacuum all of them and then put them inside. Hopefully I can show you guys. If not, I'll show you tomorrow morning how they look. And yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so I got them in here, but it's pretty dark, so if it doesn't come through, I'll just show you guys. I'll show them to you tomorrow, and pretty much it looks really clean in here. Love it. Let's see. I don't know if you guys can tell, some nasty spots they take out from here. I don't know if that's a shadow. Nah, yeah, that's spots. You can really see it in the camera. You can't see it too much in person. Look at that. I think it looks nice. Looks really clean. I got them at Salvage Performance. They do a lot of part outs for Mazdaspeed 3, so I just need to detail the seats. But they look hella clean in here. Time to turn off this light because my battery's gonna die. And pretty much I have a sticker from Diamond. I'm gonna put it right here. It's gonna look pretty good. I need more stickers in here, like I want one right there as well. And then I'm gonna put this one right there. See how it comes out. And there you guys go. Got the diamond sticker on there. I might take that one off because I think I have a yellow one. So I'll probably put the yellow one on here. That just kind of came to mind. If I do have it, I'll put it on. If not, I'll keep this one. Time to peel this thing off slowly. There you go. Okay. Stick it on there all fully. Damn, that looks pretty dope, honestly. I need to do some stickers on the engine bay, but I'll do that when I figure out what stickers to put there. Probably put a freak. I need to buy a freak tune sticker because that's who I'm tuned with, and put one on the engine bay. I was gonna put one on the exterior of the car, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that. If I do that, it's gonna be in the back rear windshield, but I don't know. This white one's cool though, but if I find that yellow one, I'm putting that one on there for sure. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to show you guys those cool floor mats I got, because my old ones are, they're still good, they still work, but they're not as clean as these. So I'm gonna try and keep these as clean as possible. And then my old floor mats, I am gonna sell them. I do only have 3. I think I'm missing the passenger rear one, which kind of sucks. I'll try and find it so I can just, you know, sell them as a set. But if not, I don't know, I'll probably just try and sell them like really freaking cheap, because I paid what, about 75 bucks for these, so I'll probably sell my old ones for like 20 or 30 bucks. But other than that, hope you guys enjoyed. There's a few more content coming your way. It's gonna be really exciting, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys till next time. Peace.